everybody, welcome back to the channel. Another beautiful day here in Las Terrenas at the famous Las Terrenas sign here in Playa Popy. I'm Stephen Hattie, co-owner and broker at GoDominicanLife.com, and here again to show you a wonderful project very near to where I am standing right now, with the beach right behind me and the project just a few hundred meters in the other direction. So what we're going to look at, we have one bigger 4-bedroom villa and six, yes, and the bigger ones 7 in total. So one big villa of 4 bedrooms and 6 smaller, but definitely not small, 6 smaller villas of 3 bedrooms. So we're gonna go check those out. 2 different things in one project, and this project is within a bigger brand new residential area where there will be different things built. Individual homes, apartment complexes, small residential projects like this with 7 units, a variety of new things, but everything being brand new. So let's go there right now. We'll check them both out, the smaller ones and the big one, and we'll show you everything we got there. All right, let's go. Hey guys, so here we are at the entrance of the property. Come on in, follow me. I'll give you a brief description of what we got here, and then we'll go in and see the bigger villa that's already well underway. So of the 6 smaller ones, there will be 2 here on this side of the big villa. On the opposite side of the road within this little residence, we'll have 4 more here, which this one is well underway. We'll give that a little walk through later. But right now, let's go inside the bigger one. Hey, so here we are at the entrance of the big 4-bedroom villa. They got a generator running for electricity here right now. So hopefully you can hear me. I'll speak a little bit louder. As you can see, 2 levels, nice big swimming pool, covered terraces on both levels, and the construction is well underway. Look at the beautiful wood finish under the ceilings here. Looks very nice. Let's go in and take a closer look at it. Hey guys, so we're gonna head on in. Things are starting to look really nice here. As we walk into the main door, we have the kitchen living room area, so big living space here, high ceilings, beautiful stairs going upstairs. And right over on this side, the kitchen, looking very nice, lots of natural wood, nice quartz countertops. And again, keep this in mind for the smaller villas, same builder, same idea and general look and feel. Very beautiful, very reputable builder as well. He's built many projects, many beautiful, even beachfront multi-million-dollar villas. This guy has lots of experience and delivers a beautiful product. So yeah, looking good here on the ground floor. Let's see if we can go upstairs. And so there is 1 bedroom downstairs. We're not going to go in there because that is where the generator is. I closed that door because it was really loud. But we're going to try to go upstairs and see the other 3 and give you a better understanding of everything here. Okay, up on the 2nd level. Up here we have 3 bedrooms, each with full ensuite bathroom and a terrace here overlooking the pool area. So follow me into this first end unit. Big bedroom, still same theme, very high ceilings, feels very open and spacious. And here you have a door, big window in front, and then the door to bring you out to the terrace here as well. As you can see, they got pre-installs here for plugs, cable, whatever it be for a television. The headboard would be against that wall facing here for the bed. You can see everything getting ready for the AC units. It will be fully air conditioned, of course. And here, a walk-through closet where you'll have your closet area here, big space, lots of room, and a full bathroom in here. The shower being right behind the door. Let's go out to the middle bedroom. This will be the smaller one. Still not small, plenty of space. Also has full ensuite. Same thing, air conditioning, it has it all. You got your vanity, your toilet, your shower, and the same theme with high ceilings throughout. And this one has the sliding glass door onto the terrace right here. What we can do, come on out here. The swimming pool is right below here. And let's walk from the exterior to see the 3rd bedroom on the other end of the villa. So follow me right this way. Here is bedroom number 3. Either one could be a master, honestly. This one has the biggest closet area. So as we walk here, the walk through, it's a huge room where you can have all the closet space you want, maybe even a desk as office area. And walking through here, you have your showers, double vanity sink and toilet on the side here. And I just want to point out, you know, the beautiful woodwork, if you've been paying attention, all Brazilian oak, solid doors, all real wood trim throughout the entire villa. Very, very nice, high quality, and it looks awesome. Hey guys, so that was a tour of the bigger villa. Beyond that, we also have a huge laundry room right here in door number 1. And beyond that is the pool room that has your pool pump, filter, and both sides have lots of room for storage and other things. This is a big building, so lots of storage there as well, beyond the laundry and the pool equipment. Now, main villa, to summarize, 4 bedrooms, each with ensuite, plus a half bath, plus this outbuilding here, big swimming pool, covered terrace on each deck. And for those of you interested in the smaller villas, which again aren't small, 3-bedroom villas are right over there, and we're gonna go check that one out. That's well under construction here, well underway, okay? So here we are standing in front of one example of the 3-bedroom units, which there will be 6 of. It has a very nice concept which I absolutely love, and it's what we have right here. So what we're looking at, the 3 bedrooms will be upstairs on the 2nd level. Downstairs we have kitchen, living room, laundry, and this right here is a covered 2-car carport. It won't be, well, I guess you could close it if you wanted to and call it a garage, but this concept they do originally, how they'll deliver it, will be like a covered carport. And it's very efficient because 3 bedrooms take a lot more space, which what we'll have on the upper level, take a lot more space than a kitchen and a living room. So they incorporated a 3rd bedroom above here to have covered parking and allow still for a 3-bedroom unit without taking any more space on the ground. So come on in, we'll have a quick look, show you what we got so you understand. In here will be a big open kitchen and living room area, all open concept, same high ceiling, same idea, same looks and finishes as the big villa we were just in. Swimming pool will be right here on the side. It is not small by any stretch. It's a beautiful swimming pool. This will all picture it landscaped, beautiful blue colored water in there, and it will be a fantastic place to hang out, enjoy with friends and family. And in here, we have a half bath, so you don't have to go upstairs to the bedrooms with the en-suites. And in here, we have a laundry room and storage, and all that stuff will be here. Nice big space as well. So, great design. Again, I love the concept. I love the efficiency of the plan, the way the parking doesn't take extra space. You have a bedroom over it, which makes this beautiful covered carport. And a great design, great concept altogether. Wonderful builder with a fantastic reputation. So here you have it. These are going to go fast. The build is very efficient, very quick as well. Very experienced people. So these will be delivered very quickly. Contact us about them. There you have it. There's a tour of the 7 villas within this beautiful little project. As always, don't forget, below this video, there's a link that goes right to our website for each of these properties with all the specifics, the prices, the sizes, dimensions, everything I'm not mentioning. So you can find that in that link. Don't forget to check it out. It's a great project. Can't wait to show it to you in person. Like everything we show you here on video, I want to bring you here myself in person. That's the best part. Don't forget, as always, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We want to keep showing you updates, new builds, new projects, resales, everything we got going on here. All right, bye for now.